Hey people, my god, this particular video is special simply since I hope to put it up on Instagram and like I have to speak of the things that I'm doing at home since this is part of like a challenge. Uh, so it's like, writing 100 ebooks has been like a dream for me, like so before this quarantine began, I was on book number 83. Like it's been a 3-year long journey, uploading ebooks on Amazon. And hopefully that's what I'm almost on my way to touching 100 ebooks. So that's what I've been doing. I would have shown you my laptop and all, but you all know how a laptop looks like, right? So I thought I might as well make this video. So it's, and I'm at home, so it's a stay at home challenge. And of course I'm reading. There is this very scary looking book. It's called it's about this Himalayan saint who they say is still alive, like in the sense, he's called Maha Avatar Babaji. So you can Google it and find out. It's a mystical, like I like to read also. So this is my stay at home challenge or whatever that I'm doing, and this feels so good. And I'm going to upload it on Instagram. I hardly ever do this. Normally I put it on my channel, but yeah. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel Half Sindhi Little Mallu.